Since the 50s, reliability predictions have played an enormous role in preventing catastrophic failures in commercial and military aviation. In the 90s, physics of failure models began to replace less accurate empirical-based models. This video demonstrates how modeling time-to-failure drives P2F visualizations that are capable of triggering preventive and corrective maintenance actions. Physics of failure modeling simulates failure mode effects to predict machine or component time to failure based on physical interactions like vibration, temperature, chemical reactions, or wear. Asset Metrics Hub has developed physics of failure models that integrate failure mode effects and system parameters to prioritize and automate maintenance actions based on functional failure risks. In this pump example, time to failure is defined by a reduction in pump discharge pressure, and failure mode effects are modeled for impeller erosion using vibration and ultrasound sensor data. Physics of failure modeling requires an understanding of how component degradation impacts machine health and how to monitor degradation. Using a real-world example, the asset model detected over-lubrication of the pump bearing and predicted a 15% pump life reduction after 30 days of a bearing defect found using a digital vibration monitoring sensor. Using ultrasound, the model also predicted a 49% reduction in pump life once turbulent flow was detected. Physics of failure uses the cumulative function of component degradation to model impact on system functionality over time when degradation parameter X is greater than or less than the desired threshold. Asset Metrics Hub has failure modes defined for hundreds of asset classes. Digital sensors enable real-time data collection to detect when degradation parameters exceed desired thresholds. Our time-to-failure models are based on the relationship of failure modes to system health, enabling maintenance workflow automation with preventive and corrective actions triggered before functional failure. To learn more about physics of failure modeling or to schedule a live demonstration, please visit assetmetricshub.com or follow us on LinkedIn for more updates.